Talofa, and welcome back to SAKC Radio, hosted by your DJ, DJ Sax. Tonight, we'd like to make a shout out to our sponsors, 808 Stanas, coached by my brother Ati. Okay, the phone lines are open for you to make a dedication love song to your dedicated loved one. So if you want to listen to a love song, make a dedication, call our radio show at 230 Never Mind, Never Mind. Phone lines are open. Call me now. Hello. Yes, hello. Yes, my name is Jimmy, and I want to make a dedication song to my wife. If you can please play a nice love song, okay? And I just want to dedicate this to her and let her know that I love her. You got it, Jimmy. Hello, everyone. This love song is dedicated to Jimmy's loved one. Jimmy, I know what your mind is saying. I have the perfect song for your loved one. Here is the dedication for you, the song I play. Enjoy.
This is